Guys, it's here. My package is here. So a few weeks ago on my community page, I asked you guys if you wanted to see an unboxing of this 1930s matching set that I got, and it's finally here. So I'm really excited to open it up and see what it looks like, and hopefully it fits. Let me get some scissors. Wait. Okay. I am so annoyed because I had to pay duty on this, and I hate paying duty, like $23 just for it to cross the border. Like, how annoying. It did come from Australia, but I mean, still. So this is what the packaging looks like. So it looks like this. She put a little card on here, so let's see what that says. Oh my god, how cute. It says, "For you." Oh my gosh, and she wrote like a whole thing on here. It says, "Dear Carolina, thank you so much for finding this rare beauty. Kindest regards and warm wishes." And then she put her Instagram and stuff, so I'm going to be writing up here and then also linking it down in the description box. But that's really sweet. I love buying things from Etsy because they make it so personalized, and they always add like little notes or like they package it up really nicely, so I love shopping on there. Okay, so this is the part that I'm like excited about, obviously. So let's cut this all up. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Oh my god, this material. I was a little bit worried because the package looked a bit small for the fabric that I was thinking that it was going to be, but actually it looks really nice. So the first little bundle is, I think it's going to be the belt. So this is what the belt looks like. So you're already getting a little glimpse as to what the colors are. And then here is the skirt. Oh my gosh. I really hope this fits because the measurement for the hips, I was like, is that going to fit me? Is it not going to fit me? We'll have to see when I try it on. Hopefully it does because it is beautiful. I think it'll be okay. I hope it'll be okay. So that's the skirt. It's very pretty. And then we have the top. Wow, this is so pretty. Okay, so the top looks like this. It's like a little, like this, and then it has like a peplum kind of thing at the waist. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try this on. Okay, I'm putting the top on first because I really don't want to expose myself on camera, so I'm just going to button this up, and then I'll show you from the front. Okay, and then there's a little clasp there. Okay, this looks really pretty, and then she said this little ribbon thing ties up here, so I'm just gonna put it through, and then I'll fix this up after because okay, so that's the top, and then I have the little belt to cinch that in. Okay, and now the skirt, I'm wearing like this little shapewear skirt thingy underneath just so that I can put this on top. Okay, the zipper works nicely. Please, let's hope this fits. No way, this is not gonna fit. Oh. Okay. Now let's close this. There's no way this is too tight. Oh my god, no! Okay. I feel like I have to wear it like really high up my waist for it to actually fit me and not move around too much. Let's try with the belt. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I actually really like it. I'm a little bit torn on like, because this is really tight, so I'm like worried that if I'm like sitting, I don't even know if I can sit in this if I'm being honest. I feel like I might break it if I'm sitting. Like, how can they even make this any smaller? Like, there's just no way. I feel like the top is too big for what the skirt fits like. But okay, let's try it with a hat, how it looks. Okay, like this looks really nice. I feel like you guys can't see like the full outfit. Is that any better? You guys can almost see the bottom. It is quite long. I just feel like these sleeves are a little bit too long for me, and I feel like the top seems like it's like a bigger size than the skirt is. So it just kind of seems a little bit off balance. I don't really like having too much shape on my shoulders, but maybe I'll watch this footage back and actually like it more than I am right now. But that is what it looks like. Then the skirt is like super tiny. I love how in my last vlog I was complaining that I can't find things that are small enough for me, and now the next thing that I get is too small for me. Funny how life just throws that at you. Anyway, so that is this really random unboxing. This is going to be like a random bonus video because I actually have another video going up. I just wanted to post this for the people that said they wanted to see it. Like I said, I'm not 100% sure about it. Like, I'll probably take photos in it still and see how I can style it, especially if I'm wearing with heels and stuff. However, it does look really nice with this hat. I think it just pairs perfectly. So yeah, make sure you guys check out the seller. She was so sweet and so kind. So like I said, it's going to be linked in the description box, so make sure you guys check out her shop. She was so sweet. But yeah, that pretty much wraps up this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe. The whole thing, you guys know. I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Okay, wait, before I finish this video off, I thought I would kind of give it one last chance. So I tried the top on with like this pencil skirt. Well, kind of like a pencil skirt. I feel like this one is a little bit bulkier than a pencil skirt, so I would want something that's a little bit tighter, but you kind of get the idea. Let me like move it up so you can actually see like my face. I obviously still have it paired with this hat because I feel like this hat just makes anything look way better. So yeah, that's what that would look like with a black skirt. So definitely wearable, and it looks really cute from the back. And yeah, so I probably will take some photos with the skirt and see if I can make it work, but I'm probably going to end up actually wearing it more with the black skirt. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to add this in at the end of the video just in case. Sometimes when you order things online, they don't work out the way that you want them to, but you can always try to mix it in with things that you have in your own closet and see what else it can be used for, especially with matching sets, because you can do so much with matching sets. But yeah, okay. Anyway, that's the end of this video. See ya!